Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is man. Here are some words related to the base word. Manage, manager, mandate, mangoes, mangrove, manhole, manhunt, manicure, mankind, manner, mannerly, manners, manly, manner, manpower, manual. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The man is walking his dog in the park. She learned how to manage her time well. The manager is supervising the employees. The government issued a mandate for everyone to wear masks. I enjoy eating mangoes during the summer. Mangrove trees grow in coastal areas. Be careful not to fall into the manhole while walking on the street. The police launched a manhunt to find a missing person. She went to the salon to get a manicure and have her nails painted. We should all work together to protect the planet for the benefit of all mankind. He spoke in a polite and respectful manner. The children were taught to be mannerly. Good manners include saying please and thank you and waiting your turn. He showed his manly strength by lifting heavy weights at the gym. The wealthy family lived in a grand manner. The company needs more manpower to finish the project on time. The manual provides instructions on how to assemble the new table. Now let's review. Man, manage, manager, mandate, mangoes, mangrove, manhole, manhunt, manicure, mankind, manner, mannerly, manners, manly, manner, manpower, manual. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.